Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a steam wand. This will be an espresso machine tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the steam wand that is on the espresso machine right over here. Now, first of all, you have to know how to activate and turn on the steam wand. There could be a button that you push, there could be a valve that you open and close. On this one, I simply turn the knob towards the steam function right here, and then the steam wand takes a few moments to warm up, and then it starts working. Now, when you want to use a steam wand, you want to make sure that you are purging it before you're using it with any milk or any other beverages. So obviously, to purge it, you're going to turn the steam wand on. You're going to let it purge out the steam. You're going to clean it with a cloth, with a damp cloth, just like that. And then it's purged. You can turn it back off. I'm not going to do that right now because it does take a few moments to warm up and I don't want to waste your time. But to purge it, you turn the steam wand on. You just let it sort of purge out anything that's inside, any excess steam or milk, and you wipe it down and you turn it off. Very simple. Obviously, keep your hand free and clear of the actual steam. Don't actually touch the steam wand. Just use the cloth to sort of wipe it just like that. Now, when you're ready to actually use it, obviously, I just have water in here. You can obviously, you're likely going to be using the steam wand with milk to steam milk and froth milk for some coffee drinks. But I'm just using water because this is just for a demonstration. What you want to do is you want to essentially get your jug, like you can see right here, and you want the steam wand to rest against the spout of the jug. So you can see the spout right there. That's going to be my guide. So the steam wand enters and exits through the spout. It allows it to get nice and deep in there if I want it to. In addition, you don't want to fill up your jug more than halfway absolute maximum because your milk or whatever drink you have in there is likely going to increase in volume. So there's going to be more milk after you steam it or froth it, so don't fill it up more than halfway max. I recommend only about a third of the way on a regular basis. You want to basically guide the steam wand like this. Now this is a handle, other ones will just have a grippy surface, but you want to guide the steam wand. Now what I like to do is put my milk jug on an angle like this, okay? I like to have the steam wand out of the milk jug, and then I like to turn it on. And as soon as the steam wand starts to produce steam, I sort of put the tip in there just a little bit to aerate the milk, okay, and aerate the drink. And then as I want to distribute the heat more evenly, I bury the steam wand in there a little bit more. So basically, I'm going to take the steam wand. It's out of the water, as you can see right there. Hopefully you can kind of sort of see this. It's out of the water. I'm going to turn it on. You're going to hear it start to heat up. Okay, it does take a few moments to heat up. So once it heats up, once I see that it's starting to dispense steam, I'm going to put the tip in the beverage just a little bit, and then I'm going to bury it down to sort of more evenly dispense it. So right now, it's warming up. We're almost there. Okay? You're going to hear it start. There we go. Now, put it in just a little bit. Okay? I like to keep the jug at an angle to sort of distribute it evenly. It's going in like a whirlpool motion. Now I bury it down a little bit more. Just like that. You can feel the jug start to heat up. And if you're using milk, you'll be able to check out the increase in volume of the milk. But use your hand as a guide. Whenever you feel the jug is heated evenly and the milk has increased in volume, okay, when you're at that point, you turn it off. So close your valve or push your button, turn the knob, whatever you got to do to turn it off. You can take the steam wand out. In this machine, it actually purges the remainder of the steam through here, so it can be ready to make an espresso right after. But your machine obviously might not do that. So you can obviously see in the water, I'm going to try and not spill it anywhere, it's like the aeration, the air from the steam is all in the water. That's why you can see that. And obviously if this was milk, it would produce bubbles and it would sort of create a bubbly, frothy steamed milk, which is what you would be looking for if you're making something like a flat white or a cappuccino or a latte, anything of that sort. But that's it. That is essentially how to use a steam wand. This has been an easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.